Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that when the inhabitants of Khaybar wrenched the hands and feet to Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar to dislocation, Hazrat Umar got up to give sermon and said, "Undoubtedly Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a settlement with the Jews of Khaybar and said, 'We will permit you to keep them, your properties, in your possession as long as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will allow you that.' And Abdullah bin Umar went only to his own land, which was there near to Khaybar. At night he was treated with barbarity, and his hands and feet were wrenched to dislocation. And there is no enemy except the Jews. They are our enemies, on whom our suspicious falls. So I want to banish them." When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu resolved on it, one of the Banu sons of Abu Haqiq, a Jew, came to him and said, "O commander of the believers, why are you expelling us when Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. kept us and made a settlement with us in respect of our these lands, and it was a condition for us?" Whereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Do you think I have forgotten the saying of Allah's Apostle ﷺ, whereas he had told you, 'How will you feel when you will be expelled from Khaybar and your camel knocking about along with you nights after nights?'" He submitted, "Abul Qasim, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, 'It is a joke.'" He, Hazrat Umar, reported, "O the enemy of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you have lied." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu then deported them, paying them the price of their fruits, camels, farming equipments, canopied hudas and ropes, etc. Hammad bin Salama also reported it from Ubaidullah. I think he from Nafi' from Ibn Umar, from Umar, and he has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam briefly. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2730.